Hi, let me show you how to work the bullion knots the easy way. This stitch is great to create texture and botanical structures. Bring out your needle and go in at a length that you wish your stitch to be. Then come back again through the earlier stitch point. Start wrapping your thread around the needle. The wraps should stack over each other at a length that equals the gap made. This ensures that the stitch lays flat on the fabric. Now hold the wraps between your fingers and wriggle out the needle. This can be challenging at first. Once the needle is out, pull it out completely and turn and pull the wraps down towards you. Use your needle and hand to nudge the stitch into shape. Take your needle in and finish the stitch. Now, if you want to create a curved or a hunched stitch, just wrap more threads than the gap that you have created, like the way I'm doing here. The stitch will hunch to fit into the space. The bullion knots is understood to be one of the most difficult stitches, but it is not now. Go ahead and try it. Thank you for watching.